Today we're going to talk about 3 tips to get your best deal on your next new car. Let's get it. Tip number 1 is urgency. Us car guys, right? Car guys. I've been in the industry for 13 years. For those of you that don't know me, my name's Cody Reed. Do a new vlog, new video every single day. But urgency, like we love right now. Like we cannot wait for something to happen. So, how can you use this as leverage?
You've got to tell us. You've got to tell your salesman that you're ready to buy right now. Because when you do this, you get your salesman, you get the sales manager all excited that they're getting ready to sell a car. And that's going to be your leverage to help you get a good deal. Step 2.
Welcome to Wendy's. How can I help you? Anything else?
One more junior bacon cheeseburger.
Anything else?
That's it.
758. Thank you.
Thank you. You see, here's the thing. You need to know what you want before you go.
Yeah, let's face it. There's so many different places that we can find these cars at before we even arrive. Whether it's a new car or a used car. I mean, nowadays, us dealers, we put photos of the cars, we put the options, we put the price, everything's out there. So you should know before you get to the dealership what exactly it is that you're looking for. And again, that's leverage for you.
By the way, there's no debate. Wendy's is absolutely the best fast food restaurant ever, so not even a debate.
Tip number 3, coming up as soon as I eat this cheeseburger.
How many people are inside this thing? A lot.
Vlogging in public, right there you go. Pro tip, it kind of goes with urgency. It is better to buy a car at the end of the month just because we trying to hit our numbers. So pro tip, end of the month, that's the best time to buy a car. All right, last tip after that pro tip, right? So this is actually 4 tips in one video. How about that? 4 tips, 1 video. You're getting it all today. I know some people like to withhold some information like financing versus paying cash, not trading a car in, whatever the situation is, just tell it all to them, because when you tell it all to them, it can paint the picture to give you the best deal. I promise. Whenever somebody comes to me and they're like, dude, I wanna buy a car, I wanna buy a car right now, here's how I wanna do it, here's what I got, can you make it happen? Those are the deals that I'm most excited about, and those are the deals that I work hardest to make happen. Does that make sense? I think so. I think that makes sense. My name is Cody Reed. I do a new video every single day. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll be back here tomorrow with more car content because Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, I review cars. I go over options, all that good stuff. Wind's picking up. It's closing down. It's getting cold. I got to get out of here. See you guys tomorrow. Deuces. I can't believe I just talked that fast. I can't believe I finished this video that fast. Hit this guy right here. Hit the subscribe button. Bye guys.